Hi everyone, this is CJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week from 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you'll find our email and website info. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and add additional perks. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It simply tells YouTube to share my channel for more people looking for vacation content. We post a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video is about the Port of Nassau. Enjoy the video. Have a good day.